Yes, and this is third day. And during this exhibition, we will present you all the machines are all about Mattress. It's from the multi-needle quilting machine.
The single needle quilting machines,
Yes.
the tape aging machine, the the dotting machines, and the decorations.
The robot arms, the packing machine, and pocket spring machine, pocket
Yes.
spring coning machine, and assembly machine.
Yes.
We will present you the automation mattress production line. So I hope you can be with us and stay tuned.
Yeah. Behind us is our automation mattress production line.
这个 video 啊。
嗯
Okay, as you can watch in this video, now it adopts the robot arms in the mattress production line.
Yes.
This production line will make the mattress production line more intelligent.
Yeah. This production line can produce 600 pieces mattress per day.
Oh, that depends.
Oh,
Yeah.
depends.
Yes, because we can customize the turnkey solution, the total solution, according to your factory's scale.
Yes.
Now, what you're watching now is the compounding system, and the robot arms are processing the compounding procedure. The robot arms can pick up the mattress panel, and then through this visual system, it will position is whether the mattress panel is in the right place or not. Then we'll finish the compounding, the attachment work. Now after finish the compounding procedure, all the mattresses will go to the other station, that is packing station. Now this is the bed core, the pocket spring bed core. Now it will go through the stacker and grooming machine. And here is the visual system. The robot arms will pick up one piece of mattress panel or foam layer. Then it will attach to this bed core. And when we finish the bottom side, then it will go through this arc turning bed. Then go through another grooming machine. This TVH station, after TVH station, it will go through to the packing station. 好像只为一面这个。
And here have a QC to check the mattress quality. And if some mattress has problem, then they will check with each other mattress, and before the checking this mattress quality, and then we'll packing with PE film and craft paper.
And
Here is our we check the mattress.
now the mattresses are going through this packing station, the packing machine.
Yeah.
There are two kinds of packing ways. The one is the film paper, the other is the craft paper packing.
Yes.
This is Solitech live streaming Interzum Guangzhou the third day. And if you have any question, you can set up your questions on our live streaming, or you can leave messages, and later we will contact you soon.
Yeah. If you are interested in our product, please search Solitech at google.com. You can find out our YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and TikTok. In TikTok, we have so many product detail video in here. If you want no more detail, please watch video in YouTube. And if you have so many questions, please DM us.
Yes, we can send you the specifications and details through email or WhatsApp.
Yes.
Now let's take a round at our booth.
Yes.
OK，阿紫转一下，我们讲一下。Okay, behind us is our newest model, DZ2, double beam, double head, single needle quilting machine.
Yeah, you can see the double beam on our two sides, and you can see the we have two sewing head. It's Ducapo from Germany brand.
Ducapo sewing head.
Yes.
What's its main feature? Why there are two beams area? Ellie?
Because this is our newest model. In traditional way, we use the one beam, one head, one beam, two heads.
One beam, one head.
One beam, one head. Yes. So we upgrade this machine. This machine will faster than the traditional one.
Yes, it has two beams and two sewing heads, which means it can produce two pieces of mattress panels at the same time.
Yes.
And it's different from another type that is one beam, two heads.
Yes.
The limits for the one beam, two heads is that it cannot quilt patterns at randomly, because it only can quilt patterns in mirrored patterns, because it cannot move it independently. It has to move it together if there are two heads in one beam.
Yeah.
But here, two beams, two heads, it can work independently. If we want to stop this one, stop one of them, the other still can keep working. We have to mention that the working theory of this double beam, double head, single needle quilting machine, the working theory is the same as the one beam, one single quilting machine.
Yes, it will the two cup sewing head to increase working stability and boost speed, the maximum speed up to 3,000 RPM.
Yes, that's quite right. And the workers who can operate the common single needle quilting machine can also operate this machine well, because the working theory is almost totally the same.
Yes. This working is efficiency is double. The space is only 1.2 times of the traditional type, while
Yes.
the output is double.
Yes. You can see the total length of this machine. 整个长度是
我要看一下。12 米。
Yes. The total length of this machine is 12 meters.
Yes.
It's about 2 meters more than the common single needle quilting machine. 2
Yeah.
meters more, 2 meters more space, but the output is almost the double.
Yes, this machine quilting thickness is 18 millimeter.
哎，让他吧，Teddy回来吧。走得很匆忙。
This quilting machine quilting thickness is 18 millimeter. so it can quill many techniques.
The thickness for the single needle quilting machine is 8 centimeters, the most.
Yeah. In this mattress panel, we have 4 layers. One is the fabric, and the two layer is from the foam. The second layer, the 4 layer is the wool fabric.
Okay, and we can check the computer over there.
Yes.
Okay. There are 2 screens. This one is for controlling the sewing head, and this one is for controlling this cutting box. And here, there are 2 panels. This is for the first number 1 sewing head. Here, this pattern is for the number 2 sewing head. Number 2 sewing head. The two sewing heads can work independently. If you only need to do a pattern, do a sample for customers, you only need 1 sewing head. You just connect 1 sewing head to work, and the other one will stop working.
你近係影嗰個視頻啊？有冇啊？嗰邊8W 成條線嗰個視頻，完全嘅咧。
And here, this computer is to control the cutting box, and in the cutting box, there are 3 blades, 3 cutting blades, 2 blades for the side cutting, and 1 blade for the cross cutting.
Yes.
Language changing.
Here we have a code to give our customer, and then you send the code here, and we can change the language. We have 9 language you can choose.
Yeah, we also can accept customized language.
Yes. And adopt the import large crochet hook. Drum quilting is automatic thread breaking station when the thread was broken, and then the sewing head will stop and return to this position, and then our worker will put the thread again into our sewing head, and then the sewing head will return its right position.
Okay. Just now, Henny mentioned that this sewing head can fix the patterns automatically once it's broken, if at one point. So after we change another thread, it will go to the original position where it broken, and then continue to quilt.
Yes.
And for this machine, is very easy for the operators to change the bobbins. In old way, all the operators have to go through down here to change the bobbins. But now we can let the bobbin box out beside the machine, and then change the bobbin. And we can show you. Okay. And here is for bobbing out. Just press the bobbing out.
You can see the bobbin is out here right now.
Now the bobbin box, and in here you can change the bobbin. Now the bobbin is larger than the common one, so for the continuous pattern, usually we can quilt 4 to 5 pieces at one time. But for take and jump patterns, this bobbin, the enlarged bobbin, we can quilt 3 to 4 pieces at one time. Okay. So it's much easier for the operator, and because in our domestic we have visited many factories during the last few years, and we found that most of the workers are women, female. So that is quite convenient for the operators to change the bobbin beside the machine.
And yes, and this press foot can be adjusted according to the material thickness. 压脚是可以根据材料的厚度调整吗？
这个压脚。
对呀。when you want to quilt about 5 centimeter, also it can okay. The max this quilting machine this press foot max quilting thickness is about 8 centimeter.
Yes, 8 centimeters.
Yes.
Let's go forward. 阿紫走，往前走。都过一遍吧。过一遍很好。
Here is the newest tape edge machine. This machine is with 8 full servo system.
Yes, it's 8 servo system. It's the high-end tape edge machine. And for the sewing head, we can accept customized sewing head. Single or half, both are okay. And this machine, why it's 8 servo system? Because we add the automatic pulling system and the flipping system in one machine. So the level of operators is comparatively lower than the traditional one, because it's total automatically.
Yes, it has the function of the mattress positioning, which minimizes manual push and pull operation, reduce labor instantly, and can efficiently solve the problem of the mattress offset. And this machine can automatic filling and turning mattress, effectively improve the production efficiency and mattress quality. The machine has a number of the national partners.
这么毒。
Okay, this is fully automatically, so the level of the operators is comparatively lower than the common one, than the manual one. The manual tape edge machine, it requires operators more, because it has to require the operators. The operators had to be very experienced, because it has to show the lines very straight and tidy. Now here is the high-end tape edge machine. It's fully automatically, and it's even very easy for the beginners of operators. 啊，这个要不踩一下，过来踩一下。为什么不能让它动起来呢？我。
And this machine sewing thickness is about 40 millimeter to 500 millimeter. the production speed is 15 to 25
其实小飞
pieces
哥还不是那样子的，
per
你要看小
hour.
飞哥的视频，他们就一直在转。
And this one stitch length is 3 millimeter to 7 millimeter. And this machine is very and this machine goes weight is 1,700 kilograms.
搞开一点，应该开始搞开一点。
And now our worker will show us.
Now there are several types of tape edge machines, from the manual type to the high-end automatic type.
出来剪掉。
好，那我们先过去，让他们调一下。
啊。
Okay, welcome our friends to watch our live streaming.
Yep.
And we are in our Interzum Guangzhou the Thursday right now. And we also have our Interzum Cologne in Germany in May. Mary, when is our Cologne Interzum?
Our Interzum Cologne is from 8th to 12th in May. So we warmly welcome every customer to join us.
你说的是 A 是
8是8到12啊
12
，9、10、11、12、9到12啊。From 9th to 12th.
Yes. We are warmly welcome our new friends, our old friends who visit our Interzum Cologne. Also can visit our Interzum Guangzhou.
During the Interzum Cologne, we will present to our mattress panel production line also, which including the hemming machine.
Hemming machine, the multi-meter cutting machine, the hemming machine, and the stacker is a small production line.
儿子，你要缝吗？
上。
没通电。Yes, this is the highest, the high-end tape edge machine for now, because it's totally automatically and it's controlled by 8 servo system. It can turn the mattress automatically, and it can flip the mattress to store the other side of mattress panel automatically. Okay, now let's go inside let's go inside. Ây, 阿仔没过来。
再看。
Okay, now welcome. Thanks for watching. And this is the Interzum Guangzhou, the third day. This is Slowly Tech live streaming. We'll present to you. We'd like to present to you all the mattress industry's machines. And this is our booth, and we present to you the single needle quilting machine, multi needle quilting machine, hemming machine, tape edge machine, mattress border decorating machines on this exhibition. And we would like to introduce you one by one today.
Yes.
首先去别的地方。那里面的是调好了，这外面没怎么调好，阿紫。
And here is our mattress border doting machines. It has four sewing heads of
这个没有调好。
the brother brand from Japan.
Okay, there are 4 brother sewing heads, and it can control here. Now this machine is for the mattress borders decorating, but only for small patterns. Small pattern decorating work.
Decorating 在后面。
这个也是 decorating，是小小的那个直径的 decorating。啊
你按啥
，Okay, and we can change the patterns here.
of our touch screen.
那个是圆的啊。
Yeah, you can see so many patterns of here. We can change by our touch screen.
Connected with the mattress 4 dotting machine is the 2-size fledging machine. It's a small machine to fledge the mattress borders 2 sides. After fledging the 2 sides of mattress border, you will go through to the 4-head dotting machine to finish the small patterns decorating work. And the 4 heads are brother brand.
And the furniture side head is from ES series. You can see about 3 layers of our mattress border.
Show.
This is our
要不先介绍半个再过来，
对，我也觉得，因为他们现在都在堵在那儿。
去那前面。
Welcome our new friends and our old friends to visit our Interzum booth.
Now this machine behind us is the
It's our newest model, V16.
WV16.
Yes.
It's the newest model, and the most significant features of this machine is that the speed can reach to 1,500 RPM.
Yes. You can see the interface screen is upgraded our traditional one. It's different from our traditional one, and you can see our opening button is in here. In traditional one, our buttons is on the up there, so we put down in here is easily to controlling. And now we have a new protective cover switch, and this is our new function. And now we push this button, and the cover is open.
Please. Thank you.
In traditional, we don't have this cover, and this cover can protect us. It has infrared sensor here, and when your finger is in it.
Or anything goes through there. It was when the sensor can sense something is going through, the machine will stop it immediately.
It
And
will,
yes.
it will catch your activity and the machine will stop it to protect us. We have a 3 needle bar in this machine. Number 1 and number 3 needle bar is 1/2 inches. The second needle bar is 1 inches. Under the needle bar, we have 2 plate. We add 2 plate in under here. And this
Now
one,
the 2 extra plate is to when the fabric or the fabrics, several layers of materials go through the needle plate. The other 2 we add another 2 pressure plate under the materials so that it can quilt the patterns more beautiful, more tidy.
You can see our mattress panel have 4 layers of the materials. 1 is our fabric, and 2 is of our front. The last one is the wool fabric.
And also the thickness for this quilting machine is 8 centimeters. The maximum thickness is 8 centimeters.
Yes.
Now this machine is controlled by 4 servo systems.
Yes.
X, Y, and Z for the shafts, and the fourth one, the extra one, the fourth one is for controlling the pressure plate, the pressure plate.
Yes.
Plate.
Yes. In our traditional model, we use a 3 full servo system. So we upgrade this model. We use 4 full servo system.
Yes. We have to adjust the pressure plate by manual before, but now we upgrade this function into this computer, into this system, so that we can control the pressure plates, the height by just simply clicking on the computer.
Yeah. Here is adjust our plate in our computer. Our original plate height is 6 millimeter.
Okay.
And we can add 5.1 millimeter at the max.
Here we add a little reminder in this computer so that we can remind us how long should we change the spare parts, or how long should we maintain the machine.
Yes, and here we can select the pattern. It can we have 完了，就是不能往下拉，它就是
阿紫，移一下。
这是关了
小范，这个是要重启吗？这个是要重启吗？
不是，你这是系统的。
那怎么退出来？啊，怎么？怎么退出来？为什么这个滑行线？为什么滑行是这样的？
这个换了一个。就是手不要他妈拉得太快了，这个反应有点慢。
然后他们关了再开。And here is the back of our multi-door quilting machines. And you can see here is after pattern quilting. You can see the quilting pattern is so beautiful. And here is our main chef. Our 说里面的，是啊是啊。Here is our main chef, and here is our hook, and you can see we also have infrared sensor here. It will catch our activity when you put anything here. Yeah.
那个不行啊，这个才
When you
可以
put something in here, and the machine will catch the activity, and the machine will stop here. And you can see, yeah. When something in it, the line will turn red. Yeah.
OK，
And when you put it on here, you turn green. And you can see we have so many buttons here. The emergency stop and the stop and the forward and reverse part button and the hook positioning part button. And
OK, usually there are only 3 buttons to control the machine in the back of this machine. But now there is another function in this system. That means the positioning button. The button is for better fix the hook or threading.
Yes.
Because when we press the button, 按什么？是不可是停了吗？
when we press this button, and the hook will come out, and when the thread
那后面是
was
是现在
broken,
停了吗？是停了是吧？
没开机吧？你要干什么？
哦，好，关机了。
不是，他在点电脑，你按那个按不了，让他退出那个商品。
哦，
前面的操作。
and we also upgrade our
不要触摸啊！
嗯？
不要触摸。
我怕他们开机的，就是我要把手放这里。
And we also upgrade our automatic air oil system. In traditional, we need to add oil every day, and we upgrade this system. Then we can add oil about 10 to 15 days.
This lubricating system can keep the maintenance time longer because we add a wick in the middle of this structure over here. 哈，这个 here we add a wick in this structure. So it will keeps the oil in it. So that's why it can last 10 or 15 days. Okay.
这个不能按。
Now this function is just for the easier operating of the loopers. Because it has when we press this, but when the works keeps on working or need to fix the looper, in old ways we have to fix the loopers and threadings by rotating the shafts by hand. But now we can press this button and then the looper will come out automatically.
Yes.
Then we will finish the threading and adjusting work.
Yes.
When we finish all this fixment, just press this button and the looper will come back to its right place and continue to quilt.
Yes, this pattern can protect us better. 这样能看吗？
可以吗？Okay,
Okay.
we give it a try.
Press this button.
Now the looper comes out. All the loopers come out
Yes.
for threading and adjusting
Yes.
looper and the plate. So it's much easier and more convenient.
And when I press out this button again,
Okay, all the loopers will go back and go on quilt.
yes. And this forward and reverse button.
没有看到那个 button。
没事，放开。You can adjust our main shaft. When I press that again, 我刚撞了。
这里可能明显一点。
You can see our main shaft is moving. 看到吗？
你别快了，太快了，轻轻慢慢的，你按着。
Okay.
No need by manual. No need to. Yes.
Yes. In traditional, we rotate this main shaft is by our worker's hand. So this is very unsafely. And when we have this button right now, so then we can rotate very convenient.
Now we're introducing you some features that we have upgraded in the old version type. After this multi-needle quilting machine, it connected with a hemming machine in the middle.
Yes, you can see before the material going to the hemming machine, you can see the material is so
Thick.
It's so thick. So we going mattress panel going to the hemming machine, and the hemming machine will cut the two sides and flanging the four sides.
但是开那门才看到一点。
Okay.
The flanging machine in the middle will form a mattress panel production line.
Yes, welcome our friends to watching our live streaming.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, welcome Karim Effendi. Welcome. Here is the cross cutter. We have three cutter in this machine. Two is about two size cutter and one is a cross cutter.
The two sewing heads imported from Italy, Brazilian.
Yes.
Three Brazilian sewing heads. It will finish the flanging work of four sides. And the cutters will cut the extra materials simultaneously at the same time. So when the materials go through this hemming machine, we will get a finished mattress panel with flash.
Yes. And here is the next station is the stacker. When the mattress panel after the hemming, and the stacker will catch the mattress panel one by one into the right position. You can let the mattress panel very
班长
tidy,
为
very
什么
tidy
连个
and
样
clear.
品要给我拿个样品过来？
动一下，动一下，
什么？
拿个
动一下，
样板嘛？
动一下。
啊，那个一个小小的在这里。
哎呀，好丑啊！它边边。
这个毛吧，
这个是布的原因，
嗯。
是布的原因。但是可以搞一个好干净的过来。
但是其实这个，我是觉得啊，这个布有原因，还跟这个刀有原因。
Okay, this is the samples cut it by the hammer. The hammer will finish the four sides of mattress panel, fledging four sides of this mattress panel.
Yes. And it will and the hammer will cut the four sides very tidy, very tidy. 哎，然后这个不好看。
Okay.
Yes. You can see the four sides before finishing is very straight and clear. And very clear.
Now the hemming station can replace the traditional fledging station. Okay. Fledging station. We need at least a few fledging machines and workers to finish the fledging work. And the fledging speed can determine the output.
Yeah.
And the experience of the workers is also very important.
Yes.
The workers have to be trained for a long time, so that he can fledge the mattress pillows with the requirements.
Yes. If you use our small production line, use one people. Even this people is a new person of your factory. This is very okay. In traditional way, one machine is use one worker. So this production line can help you save about two labor costs. We can saving about 2 labor costs. 他们有个客人，
你客户你就去嘛。
我在看，先看一下。没有，我再去看一下。
对啊，没有啊。Okay, this is the small mattress panel production line.
Yes.
It combines with a set of multi-needle quilting machine, one set of hemming machine, and one set of stacker.
Yes.
And this is Solitech live streaming. We also welcome every dealer, every distributor from all over the world to work with us. Since we already have many original resources here in our domestic, and we can provide all the informations, the machine videos, and hope that we can reach a deeper business relationships with all our friends.
Yes. So we are warmly welcome our new friends to join us and work with us. And if you are interested in us, please search Solitech on google.com. You can find out our YouTube, our LinkedIn, our Facebook, and our TikTok. Or you can leave message in our live streaming, and we will contact you later.
这边这边。And here is a small production line for mattress border. Here is the kneading machine is for sewing the straight lines. And we can also add some ribbons here. Add some ribbons here so let the mattress borders more beautiful, more unique. Clean. And this kneading machine structure, the sewing head structure is also the chain stitch structure. Chain stitch structure for the inner sewing head.没看到后面，看前面去吧。
And here is our mattress border decorating machines. And
this mattress border pattern machine include two sewing heads, two Juki sewing head from Japan. Two Juki sewing head, and we can create new patterns in this system as well. Now let's see the effect of the creating machine. This mattress border decorating machine is for big patterns. Here, this is a small mattress border production line, including one set of kneading machine and one set of mattress pattern decorating machine.
symbol this side.
And this is Interzum Guangzhou, the third day. This is Solid live streaming. And welcome, thanks for watching and welcome to join us. Here is the third day of Interzum Guangzhou. And in this May, in Germany, we will also attend the exhibition Interzum Cologne in Germany. So we would like to invite our friends to attend the exhibition in Germany as well. If we have no chance to meet in Interzum Guangzhou, we will looking forward to see you in Germany, Interzum Cologne.
Yes, our Interzum Cologne is on May 9 to 12. We are warmly welcome you to visit our Germany booth.
Yes, and beside me is a small mattress border production line, which include one set of kneader machine and one set of mattress border decorating machine. This mattress border production line is for big patterns, big pattern decorating work, big patterns. 看到吗？ Now, when the mattress border goes through the kneader machine, it will finish the lines sewing, lines decorating. Then it will go through this machine. It will finish the pattern sewing.
Yes. A good mattress brother means a lot to a mattress. Just like a good belt to a man and a lipstick to a woman.
Now to make the mattress borders more beautiful or more unique, we can also add some ribbons here.
You
我们有
can
样
create
本今年。
you can create thousands of the partners on the machine's computer. This is really a very activating function, and is enable us to solve the question on the mattress brother. And the production line use several motor controlling system to ensure the precise quilting effects. We can also connect a double-side flanging machine to overlock the edge of the mattress brother.
Yes, at the end of this mattress production line, we can add another set of flanging machine, two-head side flanging machine to finish the flanging work. So we have many different mesh. Here we can add a set of flanging machine to finish the two sides flanging work. Okay, let's go on. Here this is another match. In this mattress border production line, it includes one set of flanging machine. There are two flanging heads on each side. Here, those are the materials. Now, in this mattress production line, it will finish the flanging work firstly. Now let's see the effect.
早先基本上你这样想的用量大，
Now when the flanging machine finishes the flanging work, you see it's already flanged. And the two sides is already done. Then it will go through to this machine. This is the 4-dotting decorating machine. There are 4 brother sewing heads to sew the small diameter patterns. Four brother sewing heads.
Yes.
You can select the patterns here.
This one is also a touch screen.
Okay. This 4-head dotting machine is for small patterns decorating work. The 4 sewing heads can sew the same patterns at one time, and also can sew different patterns at one time. Or we can just use one of them, or two of them, or 3 of them to work, and the left to stop. And that depends on your requirements, your markets. It can be worked independently.
如果这台放手臂的话，我如果去到你们那边的话，把这台打点的话，应该在25万。这台打点。
这个
全都卖出去了。
转一下，转一下。
And we are taking around our booth in Interzum, Guangzhou. And now, production line, automatic rubber arm mattress production line.
太陡了，我们这个今年。这个跷跷板。Okay, this is the small part of the automation mattress production line. Now, you're watching now is the compounding system. Is a small part of the automation production line.
Yeah. The rubber arm catch the mattress panel up and put it into the mattress spring.
That's the robot arms we adopted in the mattress automation production line.
Yes.
These robot arms can replace workers to finish the compounding. Can finish the compounding, yes. Actually, there is a visual system worked with the robot arms so that it can help the robot arms to put the mattress panels in the right position. There are 2 layers for common mattress, but with the demand of higher, demand of the market, some mattresses need more layers, more for the comfort layers.
Yeah.
So we will add more layers of foam or mattress pillows on the top of the bed core.
And you can see the machine gets forming, and the rubber arm will catch the foam in the second layer.
Now with the help of the visual system, the robot arms will put down the layers, the mattress layers, right the position on the bed core.
And the third layer is of the mattress panel.
And let's just suppose this is the bottom side of the bed core. When the robot arms put on the mattress panels, this bed core will go through the gluing machine. The gluing machine. Now we present to you how does the robot arms work in the automation mattress production line. Now the bed core is going through the grooming machine. It will finish the upper side of the attachment work. So in a high-end mattress automation production line, usually we arrange 2 robot arms for the bottom side and upper size attachment.
Yes, as you can see now, the grooming machine will grooming the mattress spring to 4 sides and the middle, so it can.
Now we are showing you how the robot arms work in the full mattress automation production line. The robot arms work is to catch up the mattress panels or foams, and then put the foams or mattress panels into the right position of the bed core. Usually there are 2 sides of the button we need to attach the materials. So normally we will arrange 2 robot arms and 2 grooming systems, 2 grooming machines in the compounding station. Now we can see how it works. 那放着吧。
我就是怕突然有人的那种。
啊？
我就是怕我们讲会突然有人。
没关系。
我们没人在了，外贸医院没人在了，也不适合在那里。
要不你过去，你过去。
你们都没有打开蓝牙的吗？
打开呀，这给的。看那个老是掉。
你那个也掉了。
没有啊。
蓝牙没打开。
也是掉了。是有时候走得太远了。这也连不上啊。Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Interzum Guangzhou, the 3rd day, and this is Solid live streaming. Welcome. Thanks for watching. And these days we will present to you all the machines about mattress industry. And thanks for watching. And hope that. And after this Interzum Guangzhou, we will attend the exhibition of Interzum Cologne in Germany on May the 9th, from the 9th to 12th. So if we have no chance to meet you in Guangzhou, we are looking forward to meet you in Germany, Interzum Cologne. Now behind us is the robot arms in the mattress production line, and we will show you how it works. This is a very small part in the automation mattress production line. And then we can see how it works. The robot arms will help us to pick up the mattress panel or form and put materials right in the place on the bed core. And the bed core, after going through the gluing machine, the robot arms will help us to pick up the materials and put it on the bed core in the right place so that we can finish the compounding system. Okay, now the bed core is going through the gluing machine, and after that it will go to this station. The robot arms will help us to pick up the materials, and with the help of the vision system, the robot arms will put the materials right in the place on the bed core so that we can finish the compounding work.我想去那边，眼对着那个边框机。
那个不可以拍摄。
对一下，你可以远的拍。In the high-end mattress automation production line, usually we will arrange 2 robot arms in the production line. Because when we finish one side of compounding, the bed core will go through the turning bed to finish the other side's compounding. So usually we will arrange 2 robot arms in the mattress production line.你不要再进去了，就在这里对着它就行了。不要再进去了，看得到吗？这个，远远的看。可以。Now behind us is the first time we launch on the exhibition. It's the newest technology, the automatic framing machine. In common way, we have to, before we start the compounding system, we have to attach the support butterfly springs by hands. We have to attach the butterfly springs on the 4 sides of this bed core to support the mattress, core. If it is by hand, we know that the efficiency is very low. And now we can finish all this work by automatically. This is Interzum Guangzhou, the 3rd day, and what you're watching now is the high-end automatically mattress frame machine. Now this line will finish the butterfly spring supporting butterfly attachment work, and the two sides frame attachment work. In traditional way, we have to buckle all the butterflies one by manual, but now we can let the rubber arms to finish all the buckling work automatically. Also, what we have presented you now is the only small part of the buckling system. Besides the butterfly spring supporting buckling work, we also, before this butterfly buckling, the frame buckling is also also in this production line. So it will finish, this line will finish the frame buckling and the butterfly buckling work. And this is also the first time we launched on our exhibition.看一会儿，然后我就结束了啊。这个没电了是不是？哦。我们冲过去行吗？然后我就在那里结束。稍微看一下你们。快速通过。Now this is the Interzum Guangzhou, the third day. This is Solitech live streaming, and we will present you more machines about Mattress the whole day. That's for this morning. That's all for this morning, and hope we can see you this afternoon. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.